Good morning, team. This is Pat Walker at Mission Winners. I hope you're all doing well. And we're going to discuss something here, the Uptick rule. And I'll share this with you. There's serious history on this. And again, I was a licensed broker, investment advisor, had to take the Series 7 test, but also did deep studies on the markets for many years. No things that are foundations that I think are relevant. Back in 1928-29, there were syndicates, pools of very powerful investors. Here's a name for you, Jesse Livermore. And they would get together and they would literally drive stocks up dramatically in price. But they did something else. It was called selling short. They would, and you all know what selling short is, but I'll explain it. You sell a stock that you don't own, it drops in price, and you buy it back for a lower price, and you make a profit. There were what were called bear raids, where, again, professional investors would gang up on, a lot of them were railroad stocks, and drive it down in price. Sell it, sell it, sell it. You don't own it, you're selling short. You sell it, sell it, sell it, and stocks would drop literally 100 points in a day or two. And this is a fact. I'm not making this up. And these weren't $1,000 stocks. These were some railroad stocks, especially. They plummeted. It was amazing, and people made a lot of money. Well, that also precipitated. There was other things going on with the economy, but it had a profound impact on the crash of 1929, where people would get in there and gang up on stocks, and it literally was involved in the crash of 1929, where short sellers would sell, and sell, and drive it down in price. Well, the Securities and Exchange Commission saw this and said, we can't have this because these are not neat and orderly markets. So in the Securities and Exchange Act of 1933 and 34, they came up with two laws, and it was called, in layman's term, the Uptick rule. And what did the Uptick rule say? Very simply this: if you want to sell a stock short, somebody has to first buy it. There has to be an uptick. It has to go up 5 cents, 10 cents a share before your sell short order is activated. Before then, you didn't have to have it. And Owen's posting a video on it right now. Look at this. There it is. So I'm going to let you watch that video because it explains it. But the elimination of the Uptick rule, all right, was what really led to the stock market crashes. They put in the SEC Act of 33 and 34, and they put the Uptick rule back in place. And again, he's posting videos on this right now. Owen's amazing, by the way. The key point is this. In 2008, they eliminated the Uptick rule again, which caused, quote unquote, potential bear raids on stocks. It meant this: stocks could just be ganged on by short sellers and drive it down in price dramatically. And that's exactly what happened. Do you see the videos that Owen is posting right now? The man is truly a wizard, and I'm not kidding. Technologically, the guy's amazing, and a great guy and a great friend. But I encourage you to watch a couple of these videos, and I also have to share this with you. We have over 1,000 videos in our library, organized, that can help you understand the markets better. There is a tremendous library there of videos that I've made for the last couple of years. And it's not textbook theory, it's the real world. So I encourage you, go in to our library and look at the videos that we have there. It will help you. It literally, and I'm not bragging, if you follow these, you are getting $1 million education. literally. It will help you. It's not theory, it's not textbook, it's knowledge on how to invest successfully, how to control risk successfully. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you. And again, Owen did a great job because we talked about it. He's posting some videos here that really, you see that last one he posted about breaking the buck? Yeah, there he goes. Owen, you're a wizard. I love it. Breaking the buck. They broke the buck in 2008. It was the first time I was truly scared about what could happen. All right? And that's involved in the videos. So if you want a great education, I encourage you, watch those videos. I gave you a little primer on it, what I just talked about. But I do stress, please go into the library. Do you want some unbelievable knowledge? And I'm not bragging, but it will help you learn faster and make money faster. And that's not just me talking, that's a fact. That's a promise. Anyway, there you go. That's a little brief primer on the Uptick rule. And again, you're talking to a guy who's been doing this since 1986 and managed money for a lot of different entities. And for those that don't know, was out about 2 weeks before the crash of '87. So, and this 2008 also, and everything since. So, by the way, I'm not predicting crashes, okay? The stocks, the markets will tell us what to do. So anyway, check it out. I hope it helps you. And you know what time it is, folks? By Jove, it's lunchtime for Pat Walker. Thank you very much. Let's go.